25. Bill and Ben stand in the middle of a field with a compass each. Bill walks 10 paces forward and then turns 45 degrees anti-clockwise, followed by another 10 paces forward before turning 45 degrees anti-clockwise, and so on. Ben walks 5 paces forward and then turns 20 degrees clockwise, followed by another 5 paces forward before turning 20 degrees clockwise, and so on. Both boys walk until they return to the starting position. Assuming their paces are the same size, which of the boys walks further and by how much? Let's start with Bill then. Bill walks forward 10 paces. Then he turns 45 degrees anti-clockwise and walks another 10 paces. He continues to do this. So he would walk 10 paces and then turn 45 degrees anti-clockwise, then another 10 paces forward and then 45 degrees anti-clockwise once again. Remember, Bill starts by facing north. So after a 90-degree turn in total, that would mean he would be facing west. He would then repeat this, 10 paces and another 45-degree turn anti-clockwise, and the same thing would happen again, and that would be another 90-degree turn, meaning he would now be facing south. Then he continues, 10 paces and 45-degree turn anti-clockwise twice, which means a total of 90 degrees turned, and this means that he would be facing east. Then he would continue to do the same thing again, but this time after those turns and paces, he would have turned another 90 degrees and would be facing north once again. So this is the point after this rotation where he would be facing back at the beginning of where he started. That would mean he would walk 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 paces in total. So we can say that for him to get back to the beginning, Bill would need to walk 80 paces altogether. Now consider Ben. Ben starts by facing north. This time he walks 5 paces forward and then turns 20 degrees clockwise. This would mean that he would walk 5 paces and turn another 20 degrees, 5 paces and turn another 20 degrees, and so on. Think about how many groups of 20 degrees there are in 360, or in other words, 360 divided by 20. 20 goes into 100 5 times, so it would go into 300 15 times, with another 3 groups of 20 in that 60. That means there will be a total of 18 occasions where Ben walks 5 paces and turns 20 degrees. 18 multiplied by 5 can be calculated by saying 5 times 10 is 50 and 5 times 8 is 40. 50 plus 40 is 90, so that means Ben will walk 90 paces. We need to know which of the boys walks further, and we can see that that's Ben. Ben walks further by 10 paces, making option D the right answer to this question.